Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are at The Lookout. This impressive penthouse apartment is located moments away from the seafront in Tankerton and offers an incredible lifestyle option. It's brand spanking new, and you've got a wonderful south-facing rear garden here, as well as that amazing south-facing balcony. And you've got allocated parking here as well, which is absolutely brilliant. The kitchen's been finished to a really nice high contemporary standard and offers you all of the main appliances: fridge, freezer, oven, microwave, grill. There's a hot plate there even as well. You've got the washer dryer, the hob top there with a really nice contemporary extractor fan fed into the roof there. It's lovely. You've got that nice Velux window as well, so you're going to get an abundance of natural light coming through here. It's an absolutely fantastic apartment, and we're going to go through and take a look at the entirety of it now. We'll come here to bedroom number 2, which is a fantastic space. You've got that nice contemporary radiator there on the side, which really maximizes the amount of wall space that you've got in here to use. You've got plenty of space for the double bed, and again there, plenty of space for wardrobes and cupboards. As we come into this main entrance hall, you'll see there you've got that lovely skylight coming through, and you've got those 2 big storage cupboards as well. And you've got this fantastically sized main bathroom at the front as well. And it's nice to have that characterful circular window there, which gives an amazing view over to the seafront near Tankerton. Now, with this property, it is located in a fantastic location. You've got everything on your doorstep here. A short walk up the road and you're going to have shops, and a short walk in the other direction you're going to have the seafront there. It's absolutely wonderful, and is a really nice option for many people. It's a popular area with holiday makers, with local people. You're going to get a really nice mix here. You've got those amazing bifolding doors out to the balcony here in the master bedroom, and if you just take a moment to look at those views, they are just fantastic. All the way there down to the high street. It's absolutely fantastic here. Looking back at the master bedroom itself, you'll see there is an abundance of space here, and you've got again another one of those little characterful circular windows. And this room does have the benefit of the ensuite shower room here as well, which is finished again to that really nice high contemporary standard that you've found throughout this property. Now, one of the finer points with this, as it's a brand new property, you've got that 10-year build warranty as well, so you can put your mind at rest and have this as a nice easy option for you. And everybody likes an easy option, and this is certainly that.